What's up, guys? So in this particular video I am going to give you guys a full honest review about the FXTM and the LO and the IBKR review platform. Okay, so in case if this is your first time, please make sure you pause this video for just 5 seconds of your time. Okay, so just hit the like icon and also subscribe to the YouTube channel so that each time I upload something like this to YouTube, then you are going to be the first to get notified. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get started right away. Okay, so the platform is Forex Time, okay, which is actually called FXTM as shortcut. Okay, so actually FXTM is a forex brokerage platform where you can trade and invest your money with them if you want to make money. Okay, so actually this site is a trading platform. They access the biggest market worldwide with an account tailored to your need. Okay, so they actually have a different type of account which can tailor to your need. Okay, so right here is the knowledge. Okay, so you get daily market updates and expert analysis. Explore our e-learning class and also unitize free trading tools. Okay, so pips calculator and economic calendar, then outlining high impact events. Okay, so actually this site here has a lot of tools for you when it comes to trading. Okay, so they can help you school you on the trading business so you can actually know what you are doing. Okay, so here is also for the performances. Okay, so their site is the best. Okay, so you enjoy spread from zero, lighting fast execution, and trade at the best available price. Okay, so this side is safety. Okay, so it's actually safety as a so this side is actually safety. Okay, so this side is license. Okay, so you don't have to be scared of anything. Okay, because this side is 100% safety. Okay, so your funds are fully segregated and protected. Okay, so it's actually mean you can trade with the total peace of mind. Okay, so you can trade with them without you having any fears. Okay, so they are your funds are 100% safe when it comes to that. Okay, so right here is the expert traders. Okay, so if you here is the expert trader. Okay, so if you have already been trading, then you can go over and sharpen your edges with the latest market update. Experts AS and real-time prices and innovative trading tools. Okay, so you can go over and click on the expert trader for you to get some knowledge about it. Okay, so what is forex trading? Actually, forex trading is a short for foreign exchange, the exchange of the global market. Okay, so to buy and sell foreign currencies. Okay, so that's what the forex market so that's actually what the forex trading is all about. Okay, so right here, what is trading? Okay, trading is actually the buying and selling. Trading is the buying and selling security such as the stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities to make a profit. And success depends on a trader's ability to be profitable over time. Okay, so that's actually what the trading platform is all about. Okay, so right here, if you don't want to go straight and start trading with your real money, then you can actually go over and create a demo account which allows you to trade with no fears, no risks. Okay, so you can start trading without any fears. Okay, so that is it. So I'll try and be fast so I can also tell you guys more about the IBKR. Okay, so you can actually go over and open an account right away, so you can start trading with the demo account right away. Okay, so guys, this site here has so many tools which they can offer to you to help you in terms of your trading. Okay, so they also have an app. Okay, so you can get their app on Google Play Store and on Apple Store. Okay, so that is it. So I'll try and be fast so I can review the other platform for you. Okay, so guys, are you an expert trader? Then get started right away. Okay, so here are their latest news. Okay, so you can actually see their latest news. Okay, so here they took an award in 2021 and also 2022. That is the best trading experience and the best education program. Okay, so and also the best online trading platform in Nigeria, and also the most trusted forex traders. Okay, so those are the award which they took. Okay, so 4 award in 2 years, which is pretty cool. Okay, so you can join their own community. Okay, on Telegram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and on Facebook. Okay, so you can go over and check out their website more if you loved it. If you really love it, then you can go over and sign up so you can start trading right away. And guess what, you can also make some cool cash with their partner program, which is the affiliate program. Okay, so just go over and join their partner program so you can invite your friends to join and then you make money from it. Okay, so guys, let's quickly go over to the IBKR. Okay, so IBKR is actually one of the best trusted forex investment site where you can invest your money and earn back your percent. Okay, so actually this site here has been in existence for so many years now, and actually they have different type of account size which suit your niche. Okay, so actually this site is only for some few countries. Okay, and they have the lowest cost, the global access, and the premier tech and also the premier technologies. Okay, so here also they are the one of the best award winning site. Okay, so you can go over and check it out. Okay, so if you love it, then it's left for you. Okay, so so here this side here has so type of account type that can best suit your niche. Okay, so they have different type of account type which can suit your niche. One is the in one is the individual account type, two is the joint or trust account type, and three is actually the retirement account type. Four is the non-professional advisor, and here is the institutional account type. Okay, so here also they have only 3 steps in order for you to get started right away. Okay, so don't worry, you actually need just 3 steps for you to get started on their platform. Okay, so step number 1 is for you to create an account, which takes you just less than a minute to do. Okay, so step number 2 is step 2 is funding your own account. And the step number 3 is get started, start trading right away. Guess what, you can do all this with your phone. Okay, so don't worry if you don't have system. Okay, so all these are done with phone. Okay, so you can do it with your smartphone. Okay, so guys, you can go over and create an account with them right away. Okay, so guys, if you actually want to reach them out on their social media for anything, then they are on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and on YouTube. Okay, so you can go over and and actually reach them out there. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. I'll stop here for now, and please take note, if actually this is your first time, please pause the video for just 5 seconds of your time. Okay, so, and also subscribe, and also subscribe you are going to be the first to get notified. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching once again. See you guys on my next video. Bye.